Salut à tous, I hope that you are doing well. It's a pleasure to teach you again today, and the topic of my lesson today will be indefinite articles. Why? Because we've seen definite articles with a lot of vocabulary, les articles définis, to talk about things and to define if it's masculine or feminine. The previous lesson was vocab, and then deciding if we had to say le, la, ou les in plural. The cat, le chat. The house, la maison. The flowers, les fleurs. So today we're doing pretty much the same thing with some new words, but this time we don't want to say the flower or the cat or the house. We want to say a house, a cat, an apple. So what do we use in French to say that? We'll use les articles indéfinis suivants. Un, very nasal and not easy to pronounce, so be careful with this one. Un, that's the masculine singular indefinite article. Un. Chat. Le chat. Un chat. Feminine would be une. Une. Maison. La maison. Une maison. And the plural form will be des. Des. Pomme in plural, les pommes, des pommes. And des will be used for masculine and feminine words in plural. So let's go for some more words. Plante. Une plante. Micro. Un micro. Polo. Un polo. Ordinateur. Un ordinateur. Montre. Une montre. Table. Une table. And in plural, fleurs. Des fleurs. Fruits. Fruits. Des fruits. Enfants. Des enfants. Des enfants. To facilitate the pronunciation, we'll do the linking thing. Des enfants. Des enfants. You see when you pronounce it that it's not very fluid. So we go for des enfants. Des ordinateurs. A couple more. Voiture. Une voiture. Cuisine. Une cuisine. Téléphone. Un téléphone. Problème. Des problèmes. Ou un problème. Article indéfini. Un article indéfini. Des articles indéfinis. That's about it. Now you know how to use the indefinite articles and how they work in masculine, feminine, and plural. It's nice because it marks the distinction between just knowing the name of the thing. Plante. And now you can say the plant. La plante. Or just a plant. Une plante. Okay, so we still have the same thing. Yeah, but I still don't know when it's masculine and when it's feminine. Fine. I'll come with some tips. And I find the tips like far-fetched. Like we really try to find some tips. So there are some tips. The best tip is to practice. Read. Put words in context and be like, I know that I have to say une plante. I know it. I know that I have to say un micro, un téléphone, but une voiture. Not because I'm going to give you, and I'm going to give you some tips, but because context, practice. Now you know, but okay. What will be next lesson? I can already tell you. It will be about partitive articles. I won't tell you anything else. We'll talk about it very soon. Thanks for following us again today. For some extra practice, please go and check lingoni.com. It's full of useful resources. You'll find a lot of interactive exercises, but also PDF worksheet that you can download. A lot of exclusive videos, vocab lessons, podcasts, all levels, A1 to B2, pronunciation tool, and much more. You can also read some super nice articles on our blog, and I hope that you will enjoy that. See you soon for a new lesson for TTIP articles. Take care. Ciao.